Alright. Simple past tense is do, do. Sevdim means I liked. Sev is like, actually love, but we use it for like also. And when you use it just ordinarily, spontaneously, it is like actually. So we use it more like than love, but we use it for love also. And example, one of them I will tell you, some of them. So is gördüm. Okay. So ben gördüm. Sen gördün. O gördü. Biz gördük. Siz gördünüz. Onlar gördüler. Heard. Duydum, duyduk, duydunuz, duydular. Duydum. Duydun. Duydun mu? Did you hear? Duydum. O duydu mu? Duydu. Duydu değil mi? Duyduk, evet. Biz duyduk mu? Tabii, duyduk. Siz duydunuz mu? Duydunuz. Onlar da duydular. Yani onlar da duydular. Güzel. So, and negative of this, sevmedim. It means I didn't like it. I didn't love it. Gördüm. Görmedim. Görmedim. Gördün becomes görmedin. Gördü in negative görmedi. Because E becomes E. Gördük becomes görmedik. Gördünüz, görmediniz. Gördüler, görmediler. What? Yep. Duydum. Duymadım. So A, what we said, becomes A becomes yes. Duydun? Duymadın. Duymadık. Duymadık. Biz duymadık. We didn't hear. You didn't hear. They didn't hear. No one didn't hear. And get familiar with this. Tattım, kokladım, dokundum, hissettim, bağırdım, fısıldadım, vurdum, ittirdim, çektim, uzattım, gezdik. Gezdim. Oh, wow. There is a mistake here. Yeah. And make them, you guessed it right, make them negative yourself on your notebook or whatever. Why? Because you know how to do it. You can. Because you can do this. You know vowel narrowing, and you know A, O, U, Ü is hard vowels, and E, I, Ö, Ü are soft vowels. And if in the root it's hard vowels, according to the vowel harmony, other ones also should be hard vowels. So, in the vowel narrowing lesson, present continuous and present simple lesson, we saw them actually. And we can tell that A, O, U, Ü are hard, E, Ö, I, E, Ö, Ü, I are soft. So, you see, hard, hard, hard, soft, soft, soft, hard, hard, hard, hard, hard, hard, hard, hard, soft. This first one is not the actually, it is E. Even if it is big, as we said. İttirdiniz. İttirdiler. Çektiniz. Soft, soft, soft. Hard, hard, hard. Soft, soft, soft. GG. And past continuous tense. It is very similar with the present continuous tense, what we learned, which rules them all in the present. In the past, this doesn't rule them because there is simple past tense also affecting the situation. So they are equally used. We don't use past continuous tense to explain past simple tense. But you can, because you're a tourist. So it doesn't matter. People will understand. And you know, you is the root, your is the simple tense, do hast. No, do is past. Because gördük. How we did it, do, it is past, right? If we say, not just do, yordu, I was doing, it becomes I did, do, I was doing is yordu. Like continuous past. Continuous past. The logic is this. So you now know the logic, and let's see a little more examples. Sen yüzüyordun, o yüzüyordu, biz yüzüyorduk, siz yüzüyordunuz, onlar yüzüyorlardı. Yes, in Turkish you can show people with your face. Like biz, siz, sen, siz, o, onlar. O da akıllı çocuk. Smart kid. He. She is beautiful. Güzel. O güzel kız. Onlar eğleniyorlar. Having fun there. Onlar. Okay. Continuous tense is this. And face showing is this. Continuous tense is Ah, yordu, you know, continuous past. Negative continuous tense, you should do. Ver is the root, give. Ver, me, your, do, in the past. He wasn't giving. I wasn't swimming. Ben yüzmüyordum. Yüzmek? Yüzmüyordum ben. You weren't swimming also. Sen yüzmüyordun. Sahil kenarında ne işin var? What is your job in seaside? If you will not swim, right? Okay. He wasn't swimming. O yüzmüyordu. We weren't swimming. Biz yüzmüyorduk. Siz yüzmüyordunuz, onlar yüzmüyor. Yes, just makes perfect. I didn't write the siz is plural. Yeah. You weren't swimming here. And you weren't swimming here. You know, one of them is plural. You see, just with uz, this became plural. Not lar, but uz. Because siz, uz, siz, like became here, uz. And with the vowel harmony, it's not is, uz. And that's all. Just one more. The right way to say it, yüzmüyordular. The plural is in the end. Pardon. Yüzmüyorlardı is the right way. Plural and the past. I am also confused. Wait. Yes, lar in between of your and the. And if you say yürümüyordular, it is wrong, but no one will say it is wrong. Because Turkish people also say like that. Sometimes. Yeah, that's right. Now you can do this worksheet. You know everything to be able to do this worksheet, so go back to work and remember to take a break when you need. Consistency is important.